Arnold sweeps it behind his own net, pressuring back there. Bruggen-Cate trying to steal the puck with Kukuca. Bruggen-Cate fires a shot high on goal. Rebounds loose. Score! Rebound banged home by Rybinski. Terrific forecheck by Conner Bruggen-Cate. Trying to steal the puck with Kukuca. Bruggen-Cate fires a shot high on goal. Rebounds loose. Score! Arnold sweeps it behind his own net, pressuring back there. Bruggen-Cate trying to steal the puck with Kukuca. Bruggen-Cate fires a shot high on goal. Rebounds loose. Score! Rebound banged home by Rybinski. Terrific forecheck by Conner Bruggen-Cate. He'll look to play it up ice, flipped it down the right boards, chopped onside. Here comes Roulette into the zone, cross feed, back to Roulette, tic-tac-toe, shot, score! Second of the game, Henrik Rybinski makes it 2-0 Seattle. Unbelievable passing by Roulette. Flipped it down the right boards, chopped onside. Here comes Roulette into the zone, cross feed, back to Roulette, tic-tac-toe, shot, score! He'll come across the blue line. He'll take it wide. Turns on the brakes. Fires a high shot on goal. Rebound in the doorstep. Score! It's 3-0 Seattle. Take it wide. Turns on the brakes. Fires a high shot on goal. Rebound in the doorstep. Score! Take it wide. Turns on the brakes. Fires a high shot on goal. Rebound in the doorstep. Score! It's 3-0 Seattle. But Spokane has it behind their own net, flip to the blind. Williams goes down to Anita, kept it onside. He does. Got it to Roulette. Roulette to the slot, fires a shot, scores! Conner Roulette on the power play makes it 4-0 Seattle. Got it to Roulette. Roulette to the slot, fires a shot, scores! But Spokane has it behind their own net, flip to the blind. Williams goes down to Anita, kept it onside. He does. Got it to Roulette. Roulette to the slot, fires a shot, scores! Conner Roulette on the power play makes it 4-0 Seattle. Rybinski takes it down the half boards, fed it back to Jeri-Leon to the slot. He goes, turns, fires, shot, scores! 5-0 Seattle. And every one of the players in that T-Bird top line has now scored a goal here in the period. Boards fed it back to Jeri-Leon to the slot. He goes, turns, fires, shot, scores! Rybinski takes it down the half boards, fed it back to Jeri-Leon to the slot. He goes, turns, fires, shot, scores! 5-0 Seattle. And every one of the players in that T-Bird top line has now scored a goal here in the period. Played it onside a right wing. Centering pass broken up by Ashton. Picked up, shot, score. Rebound, Toporowski took it off the deflection by Ashton and snaps it by Leida for the goal in Spokane. Centering pass broken up by Ashton. Picked up, shot, score. The puck, chance in front, denied. Barry Hughes behind the goal. Comes out near post side, shoots, save made. What a save by Leida. And the indication is a goal. So Spokane is within 3 at 5-2. Power play down to 2 seconds. Jeri-Leon steps in and gets it down low. Bruggen-Cate snaps a shot in the crease. And did they score? The T-Birds believe they did. The goal light is on. No indication from the referee behind the net. And it gets it down low. Bruggen-Cate snaps a shot in the crease. And did they score? The T-Birds believe they did. Beckman shot blocked by McNelly. Kicked free by Beckman, trying to go to the net. Good hit by Bateman. The puck slips in behind Leida, and they score. And I believe that'll be Finley getting the goals. It went right through the pads of Leida. Kicked free by Beckman, trying to go to the net. Good hit by Bateman. The puck slips in behind Leida, and they score. And don't want to give up those late goals, especially after you just scored, to get that 4-goal lead back. Here's Kukuca firing onto the side of the net, and he scores inside the left post, and Seattle answers right back. Andrej Kukuca, with his 11th of the season and 2nd of the game, makes it 7-3 Seattle. To get that 4-goal lead back. Here's Kukuca firing onto the side of the net, and he scores! Finley tips it in. And chance in front, shot, score. Larson uses the defenseman as a screen and goes against the grain to score with 30 seconds left. And chance in front, shot, score. Larson. There's a chance in front, tipped on goal. Leida makes the save, covers in the crease and holds. He'll work his way across the Seattle line, coming with Madsen. Madsen looking to put it in front, tipped on goal, save and held there at the top of the crease by Leida. Coming into the zone with Bruggen-Cate. They crisscross. Jeri-Leon trying to get to the net. Throws a backhander in front. Scores! Keltie Jeri-Leon's 12th of the season. And the T-Birds back up by 8-4. And again, Conner Bruggen-Cate going hard to the net. Screens the goaltender. Jeri-Leon trying to get to the net. Throws a backhander in front. Scores! Coming into the zone with Bruggen-Cate. They crisscross. Jeri-Leon trying to get to the net. Throws a backhander in front. Scores! Keltie Jeri-Leon's 12th of the season. And the T-Birds back up by 8-4. And again, Conner Bruggen-Cate going hard to the net. Screens the goaltender. Poked it away from Zumak. Beckman strips the puck. He'll look to go to the net. He fires one near post, and he will score just as the Seattle power play ends, and it makes it an 8-5 game. He'll look to go to the net. He fires one near post, and he will score. Reverse direction, left wing, stolen there by Seattle. Here's Jeri-Leon in front. Looks to snap a shot. He scores! Jeri-Leon in front. Looks to snap a shot. He scores! Jeri-Leon. Reverse direction, left wing, stolen there by Seattle. Here's Jeri-Leon in front. Looks to snap a shot. He scores! Jeri-Leon. As Bauer will just circle back in his own end, let the clock kick down, and the fans will rise and salute the team. A good start to the second half of the season. The T-Birds have put themselves in a playoff position. As they say, if it was to begin today, Seattle would have a play-in game against Tri-City, but there's still 35 games to go. But Seattle now has 29 points. So do the Americans. That puts them squarely tied for that 8th and final playoff position. A 5-goal first period, and Seattle will skate out of here with a 9-5 victory, as after that the two teams traded goals the rest of the way, essentially. But Seattle picks up the victory, 9-5. Your final, the T-Birds' 13th win of the season, 3rd in a row, and their home record now 7-9-1-0.